Hi, I'm Alex from Stoke Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. Here we have the sporting practical Audi A3 Sportback S line 35 TFSI, powered by the punchy 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine with an output of 150 PS and is mated to the seamless S-tronic automatic gearbox. It comes finished in the sophisticated upgraded Monsoon Grey metallic paint and will undergo a multi-point check prior to sale. Just below the sweeping dynamic indicators are the rear parking sensors for easier manoeuvring, and it sits on the stylish 18-inch 5 parallel spoke design alloy wheels. The boot greets you to a practical amount of space, ideal for loading items such as a pram or your weekly shop, with the option of through loading for longer items. Rear passengers can relax in the luxurious leather and cloth material seats with the added benefit of ice anchor points, proving useful for those younger families. The driver can get to grips with the athletic flat-bottom leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which controls the driver information screen, and to the centre of the dash is a Clearview Audi MMI system. The driver and front passenger held by the S-embossed leather cloth material sport seats with plenty of manual adjustment. Common driver functions including voice control are at the driver's fingertips to reduce distractions from the road ahead, with the cruise control working seamlessly alongside the S-tronic automatic gearbox. Using the driver information screen, the driver has access to functions such as a trip computer, a selection of DAB radio stations which can be listened to on the next journey, hands-free connectivity to take calls on the go, and direction of travel. Within Audi Drive Select, you can select from a range of driving modes to suit the journey ahead, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, and you can listen to your favourite soundtracks on the move using media sources such as AUX or Bluetooth. You can easily navigate to your next destination using Clearview satellite navigation map, allowing you to zoom in and out of your current location. The driver or passengers can conveniently connect their smartphone devices using Audi smartphone interface to use compatible apps on the go, and just below the easy-to-use controls for the dual zone climate control, where you can adjust settings for fan intensity, fan direction and temperature to your liking. Moving down is a 12-volt charging socket to keep your devices charged on the move, and here we have the mulling-capable automatic gear selector and electronic parking brake, as well as a control wheel for the central infotainment screen. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. If you'd like to know more about this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, feel free to call us on 01782 488 205 or inquire online today.